Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair the smart band from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our band. So let's tap on Zap to open it. In the application, let's tap on the profile icon. Select our Amazfit Band 5 from the list of devices. Scroll down on this page. Find the Unpair button and tap on it. Then tap on Unpair. And tap on Unpair again. After a couple of seconds, the device should disappear from the list of devices. And also it should reset itself to the factory default settings. And once you're done, you can close the app. Like this. And that's how you unpair this smart band from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.